Glow3D's virtual photo booth and car photography software is a step-by-step guided photography app that helps you reduce your photography time while bringing consistency to your photography so that anyone can produce the same result as a professional photographer. Our custom background, both for interior and exterior photos, lets you replace an expensive and time-consuming photo booth with just a smartphone. With our software, you can remove backgrounds in a matter of seconds using AI. Our promotional photos will give you the power to show what makes you special and promote your offers in the photo gallery. Our virtual turntable can elevate your online presentations to a whole new level, improving your company image. The custom header and footer feature will turn all photos, regardless of the third party they're listed, into a tool to promote your brand. Finally, our automatic syncing to all major inventory management systems, your website, and social media. Let us be your partner in improving your car image and your company image. You can use the link on our website to book a meeting with us where we can dive deep into how we can make a big difference in your bottom line sales. Looking forward to meeting you.